Green tea has been known for long to be one of the healthiest teas. There are numerous secrets as to how green tea assists in weight loss. They include: 1. It is hydrating. Green tea is generally known as a hydrating beverage, as it can't be taken except it's allowed to infuse in water before taking it. Naturally, it is recommended that we take fluid too often, and even though green tea is detox water, it still is a fluid. Getting hydrated is one of the best ways to stay away from certain unhealthy diets cravings such as sugary drinks. When you are dehydrated, it might be mistaken for want of food, hunger. But having green tea handy can alternate that choice and make you feel full and healthy, thereby encouraging weight loss a great deal. 2. It has a great percentage of antioxidants. Green tea is known for its high amount of antioxidants and nutrients, which is very beneficial to health. These antioxidants such as catechins and epigallocatechin gallate boost the body metabolism, aiding the hormones in breaking down excess fat in the body. The flavonoid called catechins, when combined with other nutrients, speeds up the amount of energy the body utilizes for proper functioning. 3. Supplies energy. While green tea aids in weight loss, it also provides the body with the required energy needed for proper functioning. The energy is present in its caffeine content. Green tea contains a good amount of caffeine that aids in weight loss by increasing the metabolic rate and improving insulation. The good news about green tea is that taking about 3 cups daily does not keep you awake during the night, unlike other kinds of teas with caffeine. 4. Green tea prevents cancer. The antioxidants in green tea are known to fight against a wide range of cancers. Research shows that people who take green tea regularly run a low risk of having cancer. Taking a few cups of green tea helps to improve emotional and mental health. To a great extent, keeps the heart in a good state, improves energy levels and proper brain functioning. When all these happen, all the actions of cancerous diseases in the body will be thwarted. Green tea also has L-theanine, which is an amino acid that promotes proper sleep and proper brain functioning. 5. Improved metabolic rate. Our body is always burning calories even during sleep, all of which require energy. For this reason, taking green tea metabolic rate, thereby helping to burn more calories. Individuals taking green tea burn 183 calories and lose about 3 kilograms daily depending on their body structure. Notwithstanding, the idea is that taking green tea boosts the body's metabolism and makes the body act and work more. 6. It reduces appetite. Consuming green tea can make you lose appetite for food, thereby making you consume lesser calories without even knowing it, which in turn makes you reduce weight. You burn more fats when you reduce the amount of your calorie intake. However, when you don't have an appetite, you are on the right track of making great weight loss progress. 7. During exercise, it burns fat. Green tea is known to increase fat burning, usually during exercise. Which is why if you check the label of supplements for fat burning, green tea is always listed as a part of their ingredients. It has been researched that people who took green tea or green tea supplements before their exercise sessions burn fat more than those persons who do not. Green tea boosts the fat-burning effects on the body during exercise, which in turn improves weight loss. 8. It helps you lose visceral fat. Visceral fat, which is also called belly fat or abdominal fat, is a harmful fat that stores in the stomach. The intake of green tea is known to clear all sorts of belly fat, leaving the consumers with an excellent abdomen. Belly fat is different from other kinds of fat in the body. For instance, the fat in the skin is called subcutaneous fat, and not all supplements clear out belly fat. That is why green tea is the most recommended for the burning off of fat all over the body. Having a large amount of fat in the abdomen can result in insulin resistance. Again, it can cause inflammation, which can eventually lead to diabetes and heart diseases. 9. It reduces cholesterol. Excess weight can increase the cholesterol level of the body, but when you take green tea 2 to 3 times a day, the high cholesterol level will be drastically reduced. People who have genetically high cholesterol also take green tea to bring their cholesterol level to normal. 10. It reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a neurological disorder whereby memory loss and cognitive decline are caused by the death of brain cells. Taking green tea is known to keep the brain in its right order to avoid the risk of Alzheimer's disease. To get the best out of green tea, it is always good to prepare it rightly. To brew a cup of green tea, boil water, and when it is boiled, leave to cool for about 10 minutes. Allowing the boiled water to cool is important because when it is too hot, it kills the tea's catechin, which is the chemical substance that pilots weight loss, in addition to many other healthy syntheses. By doing this, you increase the amount of energy burnt by the body, and thereby effectively lose adequate weight. A cup of hot green tea normalizes the body temperature. As you have known the benefits of green tea for weight loss, it is therefore important that you start taking green tea to see the good effect it has on your body weight. Generally, it's advised that you take the tea first thing in the morning because it gives you a good start for the day. It also aids in speeding up your metabolism and reduce the fat your body stored when you were sleeping the previous night. Notably, healthy meals should be eaten before taking green tea because fasting can be harmful to your health. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.